the Strickland 160 HDR box tine heavy duty grapple, designed for working with 45-ton excavators in heavy duty demolition and rock handling application. These heavy duty grapples are manufactured to a high standard with heavy duty quality of 400 Brinell hardness half arrowhead ends to each of the tines and reinforcing wear blocks for added wear resistance. Heavy duty stabilizing tubes are fitted to the top of the grapple, and both of the pins have phosphor bronze bushing systems which are easily greasable and replaceable from our parts department upon request.